How do programs make decisions? Imagine you're at a traffic signal. If the light is red, you stop. If it's green, you go. If it's yellow, you slow down and prepare to stop. Simple, right? Well, in programming, we use conditional statements to make decisions just like this. Just like traffic signals control the flow of vehicles, conditional statements control the flow of a program. Let's now break down how conditions are handled in programming. What are conditional statements? A conditional statement allows a program to execute different blocks of code based on a condition. If the condition is true, a specific set of instructions runs. If false, another set of instructions may execute. The most commonly used conditional statements are if statement, if-else statement, nested if statement, switch case statement. Now, let's understand each one with examples in C, C++, Java, and Python. If statement. The if statement is the simplest form of a condition. It checks whether a condition is true. If it is, the code inside the if block executes. Here, if score is greater than 50, the message you passed is displayed. If-else statement. An if statement only runs a block when the condition is true. But what if we want to execute something when the condition is false? That's where if-else comes in. Now, if the score is greater than 50, the message you passed is displayed. Otherwise you failed is shown. Nested if statement. What if we have multiple conditions inside another condition? That's where nested if statements come into play. Here, if the score is above 50, it checks again whether the score is 90 or more. If it is, the message excellent is displayed, otherwise, it shows good job. Switch case statement. Only in C, C++, and Java. When multiple conditions are involved, instead of using multiple if-else statements, we can use a switch case statement. Here, based on the grade, a different message is displayed. If the grade is C, it prints excellent, for B it prints good, and for C, it prints needs improvement. If none match, the default case executes. And you have it, conditional statements allow a program to make decisions. We learned about if, if-else, nested if, and switch case statements, along with examples in C, C++, Java, and Python. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into loops, which help us execute repetitive tasks efficiently. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 963 Unplugged.